Another good thing with this Jag audio system, if you go to your iTunes, you just see there at the bottom, lovely Aston. Yeah, it's probably a bit fast for a car park, that, mate. Lovely Aston though. So you see here Jaguar XF at the bottom, the red triangle and the 3 red circles. If for any reason there's no tick next to it, just press it, we'll go back. I'll turn it down. So then you go to your system here, click on menu, audio video there. Now this will play, if I turn it up it will play. There you go. So it's playing through there. However, if it's not playing for any reason when you first switch it on, it could be because it's on a different setting. So you go to source. So let's just go back, radio.
And the cash machine operator.
Turn that down. Wait for that bit to go off. So if it's not playing, you go to My Music. And then you see their source, there's a plus button on the end. If you click the plus button, you've got a choice of all these. So as I say, if for any reason it's not playing through the system, click the plus button, click on your mobile, and then there you go, it's playing. So that's it, it's really simple.